guys, it's the girl Samira and welcome back to my channel. Now today's video is a 5K one bedroom apartment tour. It's a luxury building in New York City. It's like the new hot apartment spot, like it's a new hot spot to live. If you watch Billions, it's been on Billions. The guy was living there apparently. I don't know, I didn't watch it, so I was told. I'll add the clips. And if you stay tuned with the Shade Room, then you'll see all your little famous celebrities and basketball players be hanging out at this building. So this was definitely the to live at spot. I personally loved it when I lived there. I wouldn't say I moved for any reason that they had, but personally I needed something else, and I would tell you guys in another video the reason why I moved. But today's video is all about seeing what it looks like inside and get a little feel of what it is like living there. So without any further ado, we're gonna jump right into this video. But before we do that, I want to go ahead, like, comment, and subscribe to my channel.
I wanna be a weekend lover. Yeah, I'ma be the best damn lover you got. I wanna mess up your covers. I don't wanna meet your mother. Never ever ask me how I've been. Remember why you have my number. I'm the best thing that has ever happened to you. Here's your time to shine. Now show me what you can do. The way my hands feel on your body, the way we're dancing in the dark. With every move I make, you're falling. The way my lips feel on your body, the way we're moving in the dark. With every breath we take, you're falling. I ain't got no time for romance, but baby I don't want to lead you on. Not looking for something steady, not ready for that. I'm the best thing that has ever happened to you. Here's your time to shine. Now show me what you can do. Make a move. The way my hands feel on your body, the way we're dancing in the dark. With every move I make, you're falling. The way my lips feel on your body, the way we're moving in the dark. With every breath we take, you're falling.
So this is my apartment. Oh, what's my apartment? This is a closet on the left. I have bullshit in here because I literally just finished trying to get that mount off the wall and it's not coming out. And then they have like all windows right here. It's a pantry right here. Of course the fridge, a little mini stove and a mini oven. Cupboards go up. Got a microwave. So this is how these cupboards do. Down, up, and then you have a little mini dishwasher. It blends in with the cabinets. It's cute. And we go this way. You see my washer and dryer. To the left is the restroom. I try to clean up a bit because they said to clean a little bit. I don't know why, because you still gotta clean. It's for a new tenant, but whatever. And these come out. This is a half one, which is weird. And there's a full one. Then look a mess. But just open up. Ooh. Alrighty. Here I have a little cabinet for the washer and dryer. And then this is the right bedroom. I don't have any light on in here, so hopefully y'all can still see it. It's not that big. Literally not that big. I can't show you how big it is because it's so dark. But I had a balcony. I had a view of the little terrace area down there and the stupid building. And my closet was super cute. It had like shelving in the middle, and then the grass part on the side. Let me try to put this on flash. Hold on. Okay, now I put it on flash. So you can see I have my bags and shoes that match together going up here, and then I had like, you know, my clothes, and then I have bags and stuff here. And let me show you the room again. Now that I have flash. Oh, it was honestly too tiny. But honestly, that's literally it. Literally it. New York apartments for you. New York apartments. Into the club. Okay. And here we are. It's probably closed, but I kind of want to. This is the facing offices. And that area is a terrace, but I'm gonna come back that way. You got restrooms. That's recycled stuff. This way is the like study area and meeting rooms. This is a theater. I think it's probably locked. Oh no, it's not. Theater's over there, but that one probably is locked. I'm gonna try it, but this is the lawn. They close at like, I think 10. Let me see. Oh, never mind. So, we got the lounge. So I'm gonna put a theater afterwards since I thought it was gonna be closed. Maybe it closed at 12, I can't remember. And as you guys just noticed, we have like a key card, like a hotels. And it was convenient, it's cute, but kind of like also like you get confused and throw them away like mine has always traveling. So you have access to the terrace from here. Okay, I guess the terrace is closed. Okay, so here you go. This is the half view of the terrace. I'm gonna show you the half from inside of the study area. And you can probably see some from here. We call it no entry science because you know Corona. You guys probably noticed some places I put some of my pictures on my Instagram. And there's the meeting rooms. There you go. Okay, let's try the this says launch. This is the virtual golf. Let me see if it works. Okay, no, it doesn't work. So yeah, let me try the theater back again. See if it works for you guys. Let's see, I'm sorry I'm so late. Everything is like probably closed. Oh, no, it's not. So this is a little theater we have. So, okay. I'm gonna take you guys to the gym area. And the one thing that you are not gonna see besides the golf is the rooftop, because that one I didn't pay for my last month with that, so I wasn't using it and they had it closed. So let's go to the arena. Oh, I gotta put my key on. But yeah. But the rooftop is right there. It's gorgeous. I don't have any pictures of up there. Anyway, so this is all the stuff we have. Okay. Here we go. Guess it's locked. So I'm sorry because the arena is closed. You go through there and you got like the gym and everything, the pool and sauna, all the stuff over there. I'm gonna insert some pictures and stuff. I'm so sorry I didn't have anything to show you guys. But yeah, this is all my apartment, and yeah.